tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, if you don't know. And this video is going to be a little bit different from my previous videos. So this video basically is going to be a little chit chat. I want to catch you guys up on what's been going on in my life and just a little life update. First off, I moved, and right now I live in Texas. I came from Georgia, but I moved to a new place. Me and my family moved, and I absolutely love the new place we live in now. And we've been getting settled in, new furniture, all that stuff, getting your stuff moved. So last year, 2022, I struggled with my discipline and really following things through. And I could see it in my channel. I could see it in my personal goals. So I am definitely really leaning into making this year really all about consistency and, more discipline within myself. And basically, I just want to become a better version of myself. And last time I made a video, I was doing physical. I was selling physical t-shirts. I was making them myself and shipping them myself. And over like the past year to now, I have adapted, and now I am full-time print on demand. I do print on demand t-shirts now. And to be honest, I don't know why I didn't switch over to this sooner. I looked at it and I was scared to do print on demand actually, because I didn't know where to start, what to do. What if I have a customer complain? There were so many things that were out of my control, even all the way down to the fulfillment process. I didn't like the idea of somebody else fulfilling my stuff. But in order to grow, either way, in any business that you're in, I know that you're going to have to delegate tasks. So I just had to get over it and just throw caution to the wind and just try it. And I tried it, and I don't think I'll be going back to selling physical t-shirts. Now, don't worry, I can still give you helpful information if you need it, answer your questions about selling physical t-shirts, because I did it for almost 3-4 years. It's just that now I am moving more in the direction of print on demand and really having more time for myself to look at other things in life, because doing the physical t-shirts took up a lot of time from me spending time with my family, my husband, and my son. I needed a change. That is the big switch I have done. And like I said, I love it. I do not regret it at all. I don't have to go to the post office every day and or every other day and wait in line. I don't have to worry about printing out shipping labels. So it's saving me a whole lot of money and a whole lot of gas for sure. And don't get me wrong, I did enjoy the creative process of creating the shirts. But as the volume of the orders got higher, like I can't complain, making money, cool. But as the volume of orders became higher, I couldn't do it. Not for me. It was too much, to the point where I got sleep deprived because I'm trying to keep up with orders. I'm trying to keep up with my turnaround time. And it just was not doing what I imagined it would do for me. So it definitely helped me out financially, but I knew there had to be a bigger and better way. And also, another benefit of switching over to print on demand for myself, I see that, now it's more of a less wear and tear on me mentally and physically. By me being able to delegate all these tasks off to somebody else, and all I have to do is design. I mean, you can even delegate the designing part, but I at least want to keep something for now. Being able to give that off to somebody else and let them handle that all the way to shipping the item to the customer, I'm good. Once I got over the fact of, hey, I can't send them a personalized note. I wanted control over everything, from the time that it was produced all the way to the time that it was shipped off. Now that I have print on demand, and ever since I have adapted and went full time into print on demand t-shirts, I have learned to, not in a bad way, but I have learned to care less about that. And actually doing all the inserts and going the extra mile, it really, honestly, my honest opinion, it hasn't changed anything. My sales are still the same. customers still rave about my products, as long as that's good and my customers are good, then that is all that matters. And also, I've been secretly working on something very big for you guys that will help all of you if you are interested in starting your own, because I knew some of you were really interested in building and growing your own print-on-demand t-shirt business. If you're interested in what I am creating for you, definitely DM me on Instagram, POD t-shirt, and I'll send you the information for that so you can get early access to what I'm working on. So I hope you enjoyed this little chit chat life update. So definitely comment below if you may have any questions about print on demand, of starting your own print on demand t-shirt business, and or maintaining one that you already have, or maybe you're slow in sales. I got you. Just comment below, and I will make some videos in the future to help you out. But anyways, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.